Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix DeepSeek not working loading prompt. First thing that's kind of recommended is to double check your internet connection so that we can make our way over into our internet settings. So make your way over into your Wi-Fi, into your Bluetooth settings, your cell connection settings. You want to make your way over into those pages, and all you're going to want to do is you want to just double check that your Wi-Fi is set and your cell connection is set for some combination of the two. That's going to be one of the easiest ways to go and fix this problem. So that's kind of the first thing that's kind of recommended. Now if you do that and that's still not working, the next thing I would recommend doing is basically updating your DeepSeek application. So go through right hand side of your app store like this, and all you're going to want to do is find that application and you want to go ahead and try updating that app. So go right inside of your app store, your Google Play Store. You can also make your way over to the website if there is a website available for it, and try seeing if you can update the web update that application. If that's still not working, you might not be able to make your way over to a website like downdetector.com or is it downright.com, one of those types of websites that basically show you what's up and what's down. And from here you can basically go through and you can try seeing what services are up and what's down. And if DeepSeek is down, it might be one of this website, and then you're basically just going to have to kind of wait it out until they end up fixing the problem. So in terms of that, pretty much covers it. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.